Boots on the ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. I'm at Bellagio in Las Vegas. I'm at Planet Microcap. And one thing I told you guys I would do is I would bring you the best cannabis stocks of those that we were looking at. And I just finished up with a couple that I think you should be aware of that are really good. First of all, it's stupid for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author, researcher. I put it in black and white, so I have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. This Planet Microcap conference every year is a lot. There's a lot of money people here, a lot of fund managers, a lot of mutual fund guys who handle a lot of money. They're looking for good ideas, just like we are. There's 160 companies here, and I'm your eyes and ears at a lot of these conferences. And this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. But anyway, let's get to the business. There's a lot of business going on. There's a lot of SpaceX taking up all the air. They're doing everything. SpaceX right now is doing it. Let's just say that. And no, I just told you I haven't bought any more other than those shares I got for my granddaughter. But we'll see. But of the stocks, make sure you hit like, share, subscribe. Like I said, I'll be your eyes and ears at a lot of these conferences if you can't make it to these areas. But the first company that I went to this morning, and the CEO wasn't able to make it, so one of the other guys, well, he'll be here later, but one of the other people did the speech there, did the introduction of the company. High Tide, HITI. Now, I told you High Tide would be a good stock, and I think it should go on your watch list. It's going to be good. High Tide is a decent stock, ladies and gentlemen. We've looked at it before. It's a retail giant in Canada. It's only about $2.50 or so USD right now at the conference. Raj was not able. The CEO was not able to make it, so one of the other people did the kind of boring. Can I say? Presentation. A lot of these. Let's face it, guys. If there are other places that you'd like to be in Las Vegas, it is what it is. Okay, let's say it. Second company that I thought was very intriguing, and I just finished speaking with the CEO. She's got it going on. It's Rubicon Organics. Now, ROMJ in Canada, ROMJF. Now, they're kind of like a boutique type cannabis, international cannabis dealer. That's really good. They're consumer type motivated. I was really impressed with her. I talked to her after the conference. I was asking her about Canada, about the international, and more specifically about Africa, and going to Africa and what those strands are like there. And she said people are going there. They're doing their thing in Africa right now. As she said, there's a little problem with the strands. She said it's going to be big though, and they're getting it together. But right now, the way she put it is some of the strands grow really big. So, going over there and basically stealing what's been working for 1,000 or 2,000 years, 3,000 years, and bringing it back to America is what America is known for. The world is known for. They've been robbing Africa for years. You guys know the story. But that was it. Rubicon Organics, ROMJF. That one. Third one I was impressed with was a company called New Lake Capital Partners, NLCP. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a baby IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. It's a baby IIPR. But, ladies and gentlemen, at $15.70 or so, it's about where we caught IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties. And you know what that did. That made us all a lot of money. It did really, really well, ladies and gentlemen. That's, once again, New Lake Capital Partners, NLCP, a REIT, 34 properties right now. They've got 15 cultivation facilities and 19 dispensaries or so. So they're the number's gonna be fluctuating as they get more and more and more. IPR, like I told you, they have like 108 properties, but New Lake Capital Partners, what I like about them most is they're more selective now in the industry than they were before. They're more selective. So, New Lake Capital Partners, ladies and gentlemen. Also, I want you to take a look at one more. Just put one more on your watch list. Canna Biotech. Canara Biotech. Not Canna Biotech. Canara Biotech. LOVELOVFF. About $1.20 stock, ladies and gentlemen. But they've got some potential. And between you and I and the goalposts, like my teacher would tell me, Rubicon Organics, between you and I, they should knock it out of the park this quarter. So coming up. Numbers are going to be really good. They're going to get paid on that. So check that out. And let's take a look at some of the sights and sounds of the Bellagio. I mean, big wig. Before I take you out, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to tell you, you need strength, you need energy, you need guidance. Look up, because that's where it's coming from. Ladies and gentlemen, the war is over. Things are looking good. It is what it is. Why don't you have a great rest of the trading day. And I'm going to take it out. Just some Bellagio stuff. Just some sights and sounds. Take care. Love you. God bless you. Yeah, they're saying this Vegas is dead. But it doesn't look dead to me. It's like people are coming in, doing their thing. Here we go. Oh. It's a whole new world. Let's take a little trip around. Ooh, take a look at the sights and sounds. The Bellagio. Sights and sounds of the Bellagio. Beautiful, beautiful. Where you sisters from? Where you sisters from? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people. It's America. Alright, that's enough of this. You guys gonna have to come and see it on your own. Love you, God bless you. Take care.